Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 12 Plus, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, on the fourth position we've got the backup option. Now it is turned off. Let's tap on it, and before adding the backup account, make sure that the backup option is on. So let's tap on this switcher right here, and as you can see, the account option is active, so now you can freely add a backup account. Let's tap on this option and make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your backup account, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you want to read it, just tap on it, choose the one you want to check, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortened version of what the backup and storage includes, so let's tap on accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So if you are ready, tap on OK. And as you can see, here we've got our backup account added, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your HTC Desire 12 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.